Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to screencast a YouTube video onto your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a YouTube video right here and you want to start playing on your Samsung TV. How do you actually get it to play on there without having to search for the YouTube video? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that here I have a YouTube video and I am using a Google Chrome browser, so that is step one. Next, you need to click on these three dots on the upper right hand corner and then scroll down to where it says cast and save, and then click on cast. Now the next thing that you need to do is that you need to find your Samsung Smart TV listed out over here. So this right here is my Samsung Smart TV, and the only reason why it found it is that the Wi-Fi that my Samsung Smart TV is using and the Wi-Fi that my computer here is using is the same exact Wi-Fi. So do make sure that you're using the same exact Wi-Fi, and then once you click on your Samsung Smart TV, you'll see that my Samsung Smart TV now plays the same exact YouTube that I was going to play on my screen. So give it a couple of seconds to load, and then now you'll see that it says that it's playing on my TV living room, and it just takes a couple of seconds to actually go ahead and play. But with that though, once you click on play right over here, you'll see that it's now playing on my TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and play and cast a YouTube video from your laptop to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.